Hi everyone! Have you ever had two or more PDF files that you need to combine and you don't know how to do it? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine the files into one in a very easy way. So here I have two PDF examples. The first one is a sunset picture and the second one is a menu picture. Remember that these are random examples that I'm going to use. So to do this, first we're going to open our web browser. In this case, I'm going to use Safari, but you can use the one that is better for you. And now we're going to search for Combine PDF Online. And we're going to have so many options. But I have my favorite, so in this case, I'm going to use it. I'm just going to scroll down a little bit because it's down there. And it's a smallpdf.com. So after you click on it, this is going to ask you to choose the files you want to combine. You can just drop the files here or click on choose files. So here I already have my two PDF examples ready. I'm going to click on them and then we're going to click on finish. It's going to take a few seconds to be ready. After this, when it is ready, it's going to give you the option to download, so we're going to click on download file. This will help you reduce the size of your files since they will not be two or more but just one. It's also going to improve the access to your files and is going to be more secure. So now here it is going to let us know when our PDF is ready. We're going to click on it and here we go. Here is our PDF file with my two example pictures combined. And as you can see, this is a very easy, fast and simple way to do it. Remember that this is just an example and for it I use PDF pictures. But you can do it with any PDF files. I hope you guys like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!